Oh my goodness, I always forget how to add things. Oh yeah, new field. Good. Okay, so purchase source, that's a pick list, right? Pick list is just like...
A little drop-down list, you can click and choose one of the defined values.
Sweet. Okay, so the places you could buy a ticket would be at the box office.
Box office.
The official website.
Official website, yeah.
What else?
Maybe like third-party ticket vendor.
Okay. Anything else?
Maybe Facebook.
Oh yeah. Okay. Description, I guess this is where the customer or attendee bought the ticket.
Yeah, and if we wanted to add more values to the pick list later, we could just go back and add them.
Okay, cool. All right, so moving on, next. Next, lots of next.
Default visibility, yeah.
Okay, I do want to add it to the layout, right? Yeah.
Yep.
I guess I hit save and new because I'm going to add a bunch more fields.
Yeah, let's add the next one.
Okay, cool. So I'll finish that and then add a few more fields.
Sounds good.